Knorr-Bremse provides a digital, innovative platform for Railway 4.0. User-friendly applications on a single platform using one onboard computer unit and a back office. Imagine if you could customize condition monitoring events according to your needs, whenever and however you want. Based on Knorr-Bremse back office, you're able to define your own monitoring logic, develop customized algorithms, and deploy them to the train in operational mode. Even a completely new application, like monitoring a special function at a system such as sanding, would be possible. Knorr-Bremse Developer Studio offers individual programming of conditioned monitoring algorithms to provide applications based on your maintenance needs and operational experience. Knorr-Bremse Back Office is the platform for customized and new applications. The integrated Developer Studio offers additional customizable functions. Configure your vehicle, the subsystems, and the delivered signals, which are automatically available as input channels. Use the integrated IEC 61131 compatible tooling to define new conditioned monitoring logic. After saving your work, the Knorr-Bremse back office will automatically build and manage the new applications. Via a mobile connection, this application will be deployed to your onboard computer unit. The existing monitoring of your subsystems will now be extended with new individual events. Through this workflow, Developer Studio offers a quick and easy customization of monitoring apps, with the possibility of software deployment at any time. In summary, Knorr-Bremse Developer Studio provides the following benefits. Create and refine your own user-defined applications. Replace visual inspections with predictive events. Extend the intelligence of the fleet. Integrated in Knorr-Bremse back office with IEC 61131 compatible tooling. This is the flexible, expandable Knorr-Bremse solution for Railway 4.0.